Health Minister and MP candidate of the National People's Party for the Shillong parliamentary seat, Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh yesterday took a jibe at the voice of the People's Party, suggesting the latter to refrain from dividing the mindset of the common people. Speaking at the meeting of the NPP Maukerwad Block Committee in Maukerwad, Lyngdoh said that MLAs have been given the right to represent their constituencies at the Assembly, to stand up and raise issues but not to take issues to the streets. With Maukerwad MDC Karnas Soshang and his supporters joining the NPP, Lyngdoh called upon the party members to work together in order to ensure that the party wins the upcoming MP election.
Lada kadang kata corruption ban sulong against the ya kasarkar la jong. Nino ngilama kajing don opposition. Nim juyen ki ban supon dan bet ya kasarkar. Kadang vi dalam tiya.
NPP leader